Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to allow Facebook Web to send you notifications on your computer using the latest update. If you want to stay on top of messages, friend requests, and updates without constantly checking the tab, this quick setup will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can adjust your preferences directly. Once Facebook has loaded, take a look at the top of your browser, right next to the web address bar. You'll see an icon that looks like a small lock or maybe a little information symbol. Click on that icon to open the View Site Information panel. This is where your browser stores security and permission details for the current site you're visiting. Next, in that panel, select Settings. A new tab will open showing all the permissions your browser manages for Facebook. From here, you'll want to scroll until you see a section titled Permissions. Beneath it, click on More Settings Permissions to expand the advanced options. Now look for Notifications. This setting controls whether Facebook can send alerts to your desktop. You'll likely see a few options here such as Allow, Block, and Ask. To have more control over what messages come through, choose Ask. This means your browser will always confirm before allowing Facebook to send you a notification, so you stay informed without being overwhelmed by constant alerts. Once you've chosen Ask, simply close the Settings tab. Your browser will automatically save the changes. The next time Facebook wants to send you a notification, you'll get a small prompt asking for your permission. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings to allow Facebook web notifications on your PC. It just takes a minute, but it makes a big difference in how you manage updates and stay connected. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might want to do the same. Thanks for watching.